Welcome back to Johnston Motors. Today we're bringing you this 1999 Jeep Wrangler TJ Sahara in Desert Sand Metallic. Love this color. The paint is in outstanding condition for the age of the vehicle. So it's 25 years old now, and no major sun fading, clear coat peeling, no major body damage. This Jeep is really, truly in outstanding condition. It's from Texas, has always been in Texas, and yeah, don't believe it's ever been off-roaded very hard or rock crawled or anything like that. It's for the most part a bone stock Jeep. There are a few tiny little aftermarket things on it, but pretty much a stock Jeep. Factory stock front bumper, rear bumper, factory fog lights. Yeah, so being a 99 is one of my favorite years for a number of different reasons, but I really just like the way the Saharas were set up in this particular era of the TJ Wrangler. It is the 5-speed manual mated to the 4.0 liter Inline Six PowerTech engine, as they called it. Great powertrain combination. I love the 5-speed manual. It just shifts really smooth. It just feels natural. I actually personally prefer them over the later 6 speeds they put in the final couple years of the TJ. Let's walk around it, and I'll give you kind of a lowdown on what I know about it. Gentleman that sold it to us kind of used it as a weekend fun car, and always kept it garaged. And a very nice gentleman, by the way. And he bought it from a dealership. Oh, I don't know. I can't remember exactly where they were. I believe they were down in Temple, Texas. And yeah, it does feature it features ravine wheels. Got ravine wheels on it. It being the Sahara, you get the running boards, which is pretty nice. Painted fender flares, all that stuff that Saharas normally come with. You know, the decal. Let's take a look at the interior. Interior is in outstanding condition. There's no rips, stains, weird smells, anything like that. This interior is called Camel. It's the Camel interior. Love the green inserts on the seats. Yeah, everything is just overall in fantastic condition. The dash isn't cracked. You don't have the cracking here you see on most all TJs from the sun. This was originally a dual top Jeep. Obviously, it's got the soft top on it. I do not have the hard top. Unfortunately, it disappeared a long time ago. The previous owner didn't have it either. So not sure what happened to it, but if you wanted to track down a hard top for it, it'd be plug and play, obviously. Yeah, this is the original hard top, so you'll see some fraying right here. Really, really minor stuff. It's overall in really good condition. It's actually pretty quiet going down the road. No major tears or faded stuff or, issues with the soft top, but it is original. Window tint still in really good condition. Factory heat and AC both work great. Stereo works great. Cruise control works great. Four-wheel drive works great. Everything on this vehicle functions as it should. The tires it's sitting on are one size bigger. These are 31s. They're all-terrains. They're in really, really good shape, really, really good condition. But it originally was on, I believe, 30. That's what the Goodyear 30, I can't remember the exact tire size. But this is one size bigger, I do know that. Let's walk around over here. As you can see, overall, it's just in really, really good condition. We don't get Saharas in like this very often that are in this shape, that are stock, that haven't been beat on, that haven't been trailed hard. This one is completely rust-free, it being from Texas. The underside is beautiful. It looks great. If you want undercarriage pictures, you can reach us anytime at 940-808-2382. Also being a Sahara, forgot to mention this, does feature Trac-Lok rear differential, which is nice, as well as the upgraded 373 gearing. If you have any other questions about this Jeep or any of the other Jeeps we have available, you can reach us again. That number is 940-808-2382. Check out our website, johnstonmotorsales.com. And don't forget to like, tag, and share us on YouTube and Facebook. Thanks much, folks. Have a great day.